So we have fabric that is 9.7 meters long, and we want to have 12 pieces of 0.85 meter fabric. Okay, so if I divide this by 0.85, I can figure out if I have enough for 12. Okay, so dividing these numbers without the decimals, I get this. Okay, I can put 1 here, right? Subtracting this, I end up getting just 12. Okay, and bringing the 0 down, right? This will be 1 point something now, and I can fit another, right, 85. Okay, this time I get 35, and if I bring the 0 down one more time, I can only add 4 next, and that's going to be 340, so it's 10, and then so on. Okay, but right now if I estimate these two, right, this rounds up to 10, this rounds up to 1, the estimate of this division is going to be 10, meaning, right, the quotient, instead of being 1.14, the quotient of this will become, right, 11.4. Okay, so that means we have enough fabric to make 11.4 pieces, right, of 0.85 meters, right? But that's clearly not enough. Okay, so, right, Alex needs, right, she needs one more piece of fabric, one piece of 0.85 meters more, right? Because we can't even use the 0.4 because it's not long enough. Okay,